Whispered prayers, ride the wings of holy angels from here to there. God is listening when we speak them. There is power in whispered prayers. Dark in midnight or the valley, doesn't seem that life is fair. What we need is
I can comprehend forever. Eternity is beyond my human mind. They tell me heaven is forever, and forever is a long, long time. The sun will rise to never set again. Troubles of the world are far behind. Time is just a thing of the long forgotten past. Nothing that can bother my mind. Everywhere are happy, happy people, listening to the bells and how they chime. Heaven's golden day will last forever, and forever is a long, long time.
In a week time, the song goes like this. I'm sure many of you know the song. Life is easy when you are up on the mountain, and you have got peace of mind like you have never known. But things change when you are down in the valley. Don't lose faith, for you are never alone. The chorus says, for the God on the mountain is still God in the valley. When things go wrong, he'll make them right. And the God of the good times is still God in the bad times. The God of the day is still the God in the night. The second verse says, we talk of faith way up on the mountain, but talk comes easy when life's at its best. Now it's down in the valleys, trials and temptations. That's where your faith is really put to the test.
just a closer walk with thee. Granted, Jesus is my plea. Daily walking close to thee. Let it be, dear Lord, let it be. I am weak, but thou art strong. Let me walk close to